Do you feel stuck working harder and longer but feel like you never get ahead? In this video, I'll share with you why trading time for money is holding you back and how you can break free from that. By the end of this video, you will know how to stop trading time for money and instead build an income that grows on its own. As someone who spent years trading time for money with a 2.5 hour commute each way, working overtime, never getting ahead, never getting more than like a 2% increase year over year, I understand the frustrations that can come when you're trying to make additional income for your family, but don't know how to possibly work more hours than you're already working. If you're ready to break free from trading time for money, check out the link in my description and it will give you a free PDF that walks you through step by step how you can achieve this. So first off, time is our most valuable resource. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how we choose to spend those hours can determine our income level. And if you're able to get more high income skills done in a shorter amount of time, then you can grow your income faster and more productively than if you are trading hour for hour for your income like a traditional 9 to 5 job would give you. The traditional income scale isn't sustainable or scalable. So you don't have more than 24 hours in a day. You're never going to get more than 24 hours in a day. So you can't create more time. So we have to figure out how can we create more income with the time that we have versus trying to work extra hours to get more income. Because all we do when we put in more hours, more overtime, add a second job, anything like that, we end up creating burnout for ourselves. We get exhausted, we lose sleep. It doesn't oftentimes get us ahead. We lose time with our family. We miss out on memories and moments that we want to share with our family. And at the end of the day, for many people in today's world, they don't have much to show for all of that extra time and effort that they're putting in. So there's got to be a better way. If you want to build a scalable income that isn't going to cost you tons and tons of hours, click the link in my description below and get the free PDF and check that out. So one of the keys to be able to break free from trading time for money is to be able to have a business model where you can automate it. So this is your freedom ticket. So basically your business is on automations so that it is working for you 24/7 when you're doing whatever it is you want to be doing. So that could be while you're at your regular 9 to 5 as you're building this, when you're spending time with your family, whatever it is that you love to do, your business is working in the background for you while you're doing other things. So the question becomes, how do you do this? Well, we utilize technology in order to do this. So having a funnel system set in place where you can spend a couple hours a day creating content, marketing materials to reach your perfect clientele to get your business out there. And then in the background, you have an automated system set up on a funnel system where you're capturing emails so that then you can have them go through a already done for you funnel that just keeps working over and over and over again for you. So why is this important? Because you deserve more freedom. Being digital and having an automated system allows you to free up time to do other things. It allows you to be scalable so that you can build a business of recurring income and allow you to make more money than you can make trading time for dollars. I know starting something new can feel overwhelming. So the other great thing about this is you can start small. You have the opportunity to either, go it alone, create something of your own from scratch, or you can look into products where you can buy the rights to it to resell it for 100% profit. So it really allows you to start small and have something out there pre-done for you to get up and running in a few days and you can learn and grow and scale as you are ready. And really the big reason to do this is that having passive income gives you opportunities. So it gives you opportunities to walk away from your 9 to 5 if that's what you want to do. It gives you opportunities to spend more time with your family, to spend time raising your children if that is your goal. It gives you opportunities to work from anywhere, travel. Really, your opportunities are endless when you have the passive income. So if you're ready to find out more and get started, check out the link below and get the free PDF. I don't know if this is for you or not, but it doesn't hurt to check it out and get more information about the system that I follow.